guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing an old-fashioned view today. We are doing a flip through. This is the Dollar Tree swap fit flip through. We set a $14 Dollar Tree budget. You could buy whatever you wanted. And I thought I picked really well, but I think I picked safe, and it was actually very, very hard. And I think it's boring. So I'm sorry to the person that I'm swapping with. I hope she likes it. I hope it's not boring to her. We'll see. I got the fabric, I got the art journal, I got some other stuff, and as I go through, I'll tell you what I got. So, the fabric I thought was really pretty, and mine ended up, I wanted like a beachy, citrus kind of theme because I live in Southern California. Okay, so here you can see, this is my art journal. The paper is real thin. I got some of these bags. I got a package of tissue paper and this ribbon. And I got a roll of this ribbon and 3 paints. And this is the, what do you call this stuff? Streamers. Streamers. So I made a tag, and this is a big pocket at the beginning. And I thought she could use this, you know, if she goes to the beach. She could put beach pictures in here, or summertime pictures, or cooking pictures. And I made an envelope out of a page. And I decorated it again with some of the streamer and some of that bling ribbon. I bought a bag that had oranges and stuff like that on it. It was a gift bag, and this was the side of it. I cut it all apart. I got some stickers. Oh, see, this is part of the bag. I cut it apart, and this is a belly band. And then these are some more little journaling card and stickers. I even used some of the packaging because it went with my theme and the colors. And these are some stickers that are wood and they're unpainted. I thought that would be something she could paint if she wanted to. And then these are some stickers I had left. The colors just kind of went, so I got them. And then this is that gift bag cut apart again. Little journaling cards. And I made a corner tuck, and then this is that little party bag. I made a tag, and then there's a belly band. And I made a tuck spot out of part of the bag, some stickers, and a journaling card. And then just a bunch of places to write, a bunch of tags. I decoupaged a bunch of the tissue paper. I painted a bunch because I didn't get any coffee or tea stains. So there's a journaling card, stickers, and another tag. And this was from the bag. That was the closure on the gift bag. So like I said, I just tried to make it very summery, very fun. And the parts of the packaging I used just went with the theme. And then this page, I just needed some bling. I always like to have a fabric page in my journals to pin things to. And then this was kind of cool. It's the bottom, part of the bottom of the bag, but it's like you could tuck stuff in it. So, I don't know. And you can write on it. It was cool looking. And an orange. And then here's the other ribbon, another orange. Another tuck spot, and that's the back. And then I have all these empty stickers for her, and some stickers I didn't even use that I bought as part of the challenge, so I thought I would give to her as well. So I hope you like my Dollar Tree swap journal. Like I said, I bought all the supplies and had to put it together, and it was really hard. We spent $14. If you'd like to try it, post a picture down below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Take care. Have an awesome day. Bye.